Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out can you install Google Play on Samsung TV. Let's go.
Samsung TV has its own App Store, but if you need Google Play, then you will need a Chromecast device with Google TV. When you connect Chromecast with Google TV to your Samsung TV, you will have the Google TV OS with the Google Play App Store. Is there another option? Yes. Turn on screen mirroring on your Android phone and open Google Play. Download the app you need from Google Play and use it through screen mirroring. Now you know that it is impossible to install Google Play on Samsung Smart TV without a Google Chromecast device. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.